Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Finance. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Kucoin. So if you don't have got an account on Kucoin and would want to get started with Kucoin, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own account on Kucoin, and how to verify that account. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In order to get started, all what you need to do is to come to kucoin.com. So when you scroll down and come to this website, you will know that you have landed on the right page. So you need to come to this page. You can also come to this page by clicking the first link in the description below. So once you are here on the home page of Kucoin, all what you need to do is to come and press on sign up. Then in here, you can choose whether to create your account using your email address or your phone number. So I will go ahead and use the email address. You just need to enter the email in here. Then after entering your email address, you need to create your password, which should be at least 10 characters. After creating the password, you just need to come and press on referral code. Then here you can enter the referral code. I'm going to leave a code in the description below. So you can use that code to enter it over here. That way you are going to have got sign up bonuses, but it is optional. It's up to you if you want to use it. After entering the code, all what you need to do is to come and press on sign up. Then you need to confirm that you are human by pressing I'm not a robot. Then you just need to enter this captcha to solve this captcha. Then you come and press on verify. Here you need to verify your email address. So you can do that by simply going to your email and check for the code sent to you by Kucoin. You can see you just need to copy this code and go back to your registration page and paste the code in here. After pasting the code, you just need to come and press on activate account. Once you have verified your email address, you are going to be brought to your Kucoin main dashboard. You can see over here it says sign up successful. Our Kucoin account has been registered completely. So when you come over here on top, you can see that there is just so much you can do with your Kucoin account. Firstly, you can easily buy cryptocurrencies by coming here over on buy. Then you can choose any of these options to buy cryptocurrencies on Kucoin. Then over here you can see where it says earn. You can rent out your cryptocurrencies on Kucoin and be able to earn interest on your rent out cryptocurrencies. You can also earn money by using Kucoin earn. So you can earn money by just simply keeping cryptocurrencies on Kucoin. Usually keeping stable coins. You can stake your stable coins on Kucoin and be able to earn interest on those coins. Then when you come over here, you'll be able to see your orders. Let's say when you have opened an order, when you have decided to buy or sell cryptocurrencies at a specific amount of money, you'll be able to see the orders over here. You can see you have got spot orders, margin orders, features orders, and the earn orders. These are the type of orders that you are going to have on Kucoin, and you can be able to access them over here. Then here, this is where you are going to be able to see your money. So here you can see the type of accounts that you are going to have got on Kucoin. You have got the main account, trading account, margin account, features account, trading bot account, and financial account. But since I assume that you are just getting started with cryptocurrencies, I would highly recommend that you just stick with the main account and the trading account. So the main account, this is the account which you are going to be using to deposit and withdraw money from your Kucoin account. Then your trading account, this is the account that you are going to be using to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Kucoin. So it's more you deposit money using your main account, then trade with your trading account. Then when you come over here, over your profile, you are going to find that your account is unverified. One great advantage that Kucoin has over other crypto exchanges is that you can use Kucoin without verifying your account. Even before verifying your account, you'll be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Kucoin. but I highly recommend that you verify your account for your own security. And also, maybe if you want to trade like high volumes, you need to verify your account. So I'm going to show you how to verify your Kucoin account. But before that, I want you to come over here where it says account security. So you have to make sure that you secure your account like to avoid like being scammed or losing your money. So you need to come and press on like account security. So you can secure your account by adding your phone number or binding like Google Authenticator with your account. That way, whenever you want to log in into your account, like you are going to have got a verification code sent to your phone number or Google Authenticator and use that code to log in into your account. This just increases like the security like of your account. So I'm going to add my phone number to my Kucoin account, and I can do that by simply pressing on bind over here. Then you just need to come and press on send code. That way a code is going to be sent to your email address. After that, you'll be allowed to add your phone number to your Kucoin account. So I will go ahead and add my phone number. So you just need to come here and choose your country code. So you just need to search for your country. For me, I'm in Turkey. Then you need to enter your phone number in here. After entering like the phone number, you just need to come and press on send code. After entering the code, you just need to come and press on activate. So you can see over here that like the phone number has been added successfully. You can do the same and add your Google Authenticator, which is going to add even another layer of security to your account. So you just need to come and press on bind. Then in here, first you will need to receive a verification like on your cell phone number. So you just need to come and press on send code. So here, all what you need to do is to link your Kucoin account with your Google Authenticator mobile application. If you don't have got the mobile application, all what you need to do is to install the mobile application. Once you have got the mobile app, you just need to come and scan this QR code. Then that way you'll be able to link like your Google Authenticator like with your Kucoin account. So you can see over here that I've been able to secure my account both with the phone number and the Google Authenticator. What I'm going to show you now is how to verify your account on Kucoin. So to do that, you just need to come over your profile. Then you need to come and press on KYC verification. You can see over here that the status of our account is unverified, and currently we can only deposit, exchange, even trade on margin using our account. But we cannot withdraw money from our Kucoin account. What you need to do like is to verify your account first before you'll be able to withdraw money from your Kucoin account. So I will go ahead and start the verification by pressing on start verification. Then over here, all what you need to do is to enter your personal information. After entering the ID number, all what you need to do is to come and press on submit. So immediately after submitting your personal information, you are going to see that like your current features have increased. Now what you can do with your account is you can exchange, you can withdraw, you can trade on margin, you can deposit, you can do fiat to crypto trading, you can also trade on features. So like with all of these features, I think it is enough for most of you like to get started like on Kucoin. Like all what we are looking for is like to be able to withdraw. But in case like if you want like to favor like your verification process, all what you need to do is to come and press on start verification. So over here you need to do the advanced verification like the KYC verification. So with the KYC, this is simply where you have to upload like your ID document. Let's say in my case, I used my passport information, so I need to upload like my passport document. After that, you are going to do a biometric scan of your face so that they can compare the face on your passport or your ID document with your face. That's how like the KYC is done. So I'm going to go ahead and do this using my mobile phone. So you can see over here that you can just scan this QR code using your phone so that you can use your phone like to do the KYC verification. It is much easy if you use your phone to do the KYC. So I will go ahead and do that. So I've completed the KYC verification. on my mobile phone using the Kucoin mobile application. When you come over your account, you will find that your account is showing verified, and when you look at the status of the account over here, it is showing verified as well, meaning that your account has been fully verified. Now you are going to have got access to all the features that like Kucoin has to offer. Like you'll be able to do almost anything on Kucoin. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope you're able to learn one or two things from this video. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye, see you in the next video. Love you.